Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Aptitude type questions are mostly in our society they are known as BKIT, Business Entrance Test, or one can say SAT, GMAT, GRE, or aptitude type of question. Let me call it quantitative mathematics, or one can say that logical questions or analytical questions. To some extent, analytical questions are different from these two, but they are known as aptitude questions. Aptitude. They check the students' vulnerability, weak points, as well as understanding towards whatever given to them. They have to follow the instruction. They are not as deep as I have explained or claimed these questions to be so, but they are good questions. Common type is prevailing in all the questions are simple formulas: a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, difference of 2 square, but they have been sugar coated, not we sugar coated, salt coated. We have to test and we have to unfold them. Let me spill the beans about the question number 1: how to take common without wasting time. A minus b. You are surprised to listen to my word, something common. Yes, we can take anything common from anywhere. Taking negative 1 common, it turned to be minus b over. I have taken minus 1. Or even I can take a common from this. Taking common is tantamount to divide. It will be a times 1 minus b over. Or I can take b common from here. Taking common means to divide with the same. It will be a over b minus 1. If I multiply b for verification, I will arrive at here. B times a over b minus 1 time b cancelled out. I have same a minus b. That is the advancement of the concept of common. You have taken a number common. To take minus common, it is a very fine thing in mathematics, but it is a brilliant concept where mostly things fail. Taking common, taking negative common shows the maturity of a mental aptitude of the mathematics. Taking minus common. Even something is not common, even we take that thing also common if it is required. So one has idea about that situation as well. Let's jot down to question number 1 now. Now we are in a position to crack this nut. That is, we have expression x over x minus 2 plus x over 2 times 2 minus x. Just look at this. This is x minus 2. This is 2 minus x. X minus 2, 2 minus x. X minus 2, 2 minus x. Take minus common from anywhere. If I take minus common from here, it will become x minus 2. Take minus common, works wonder in that question. X over x minus 2 plus x over, taking 2 common from here, it will become x minus 2. I have taken common from this 2 minus x, it will become x minus 2. Now minus plus, it will become negative. We have x over x minus 2, negative x over 2 times x minus 2. Wonderful. It is now. Take x over x minus 2 common from these two expressions. X over x minus 2 common from these two expressions. X over x minus 2 common. What we are left with? 1, negative 1 over 2. Taking LCM of this, x over x minus 2, 2 common, it will become 2 minus 1. We have x over 2 times x minus 2. That's our answer in that case. So option number C is our right option. Taking minus common, taking care of fine things, taking care of almost invisible things works wonder for you in such type of algebraic expression. Moving towards question number 2. Moving towards next question number 2. Which expression is equivalent to? Let me write this expression. x plus 1 whole square plus 2 times x plus 1 times y plus 1 plus y plus 1 whole square, y plus 1 whole square is equivalent to what thing? Just simple concept it is as usual. Look at this. If we assume this thing to be a square plus twice x plus 1 is our a, y plus 1 is our b plus b square. Look at this. This is our a square plus twice x plus 1 into y plus 1 plus y1 square. It is the formula. This is the simple formula. It has been blended. Instead of a we have x plus 1, instead of b we have y plus 1. It is tantamount to a plus b whole square. Just replace the values. It is r, instead of a x plus 1, instead of b it's r y plus 1 whole square. Adding 1 and 1 we have x plus y plus 1 and 1 2 whole square. 1 and 1 2 whole square. Option number 1 is the right option. Or one can take another different path. It depends upon his mental aptitude or your first step. I used to call it, I used to advise, I used to chant the slogan. First step is make or break in mathematics. Or you can apply middle term breakup formula. 1 times 1 is 2. I can write this quantity as x plus 1 whole square plus, it can be broken down to 1 times x plus 1 times y plus 1 plus x plus 1 times y plus 1 plus y plus 1 whole square. Taking common from this pair, that is x plus 1. What remains from here? That's x plus 1. From here, that's y plus 1. Again, from this pair, taking y plus 1 times common, we are left with x plus 1 and plus y plus 1. Look at these two brackets are identical. Taking them common, x plus 1 plus y plus 1 common. From here, x plus 1 remains. From here, x plus 1, sorry, and y plus 1. 1 and 1, it will become 2. We have x plus y plus 2. And this is also x plus y, 1 and 1, 2. Both brackets are identical. I can write x plus y plus 2 whole square. X plus y plus 2 whole square. It's up to you. Take either the path, middle term breakup, or if you are in a position to direct hand, it is the formula of perfect square a plus b whole square. Just a has been replaced by x plus 1 and b has been replaced by y plus 1. It's up to your ability. Moving towards question number next. Moving towards next question, a wonderful question again based on LCM. We have given the expression 8x square minus 1 upon 2 y square can be written as is equivalent to 8 times x minus cy, x plus cy. Then find what is the value of c. Then find what is the value of c. Then find what is the value of c. I have already told you to take common whether that thing is present or not is a wonderful idea in mathematics. He is giving us ample hint, enough hint to tread the path that we have to take 8 common. We have to take 8 common. We have to transform this expression into this type. No doubt difference of 2 square is prevalent here, but we have to manage 8 common. Taking 8 common is a wonderful idea. Taking 8 common means dividing by 8. From this 2 common means dividing by 8, and it is our wonderful thing that we have cracked this nut. It is given to us, we have to take 8 common. If you are going to take 8 common, tread the path, follow the direction, it's work wonderful. 8, what we are left with, x square minus 1 over 16 y square. Look at this, perfect square quantity, perfect square quantity, perfect square quantity. Now everything has been set for us. Now we can grapple this very easily. X square, instead of 1 upon 16 I can write 1 upon 4y whole square. Applying difference of two techniques, 8 times x minus 1 upon 4y times x plus 1 upon 4y. Just compare the thing that we have given to us, that is 8 times x minus cy, x plus cy. On comparing, one can easily arrive at the result c is equal to 1 upon 4. C is equal to 1 upon 4. So in that question, c is equal to 1 upon 4 is our answer. Look at this. All has been set. Direction has been given to us. We have to take just 8 common. 8 common. To take common means divide. I have taken 8 common, dividing by it, and everything turns to be very simple. It is a common at a good level, at advancement level, rather than finding a common factor, rather than finding a common factor. Common means to divide, and it was wonderful for us. Moving towards next question. Moving towards next question, which expression is equivalent to, we have given some expressions, that is y minus 3xy divided by 2x square minus 2xy plus 1 plus 3 times y divided by x minus y. I have already told you to take common is a wonderful thing. Then you blindly take LCM, this or that. Taking common is a wonderful thing. Taking y common from the numerator, I have 1 minus 3x. Taking 2x common from the denominator, I have x minus y plus 1 plus 3y divided by x minus y. Look at this. X minus y is common from the denominator. One can take common, one can have acumen of mathematics. It can be taken out, it can be factored out even from denominator. So taking this one common, 1 over x minus y common, what we are left with? Y times 1 minus 3x, and here left with 2x plus 1 plus 3y. There is nothing, one, taking LCM inside, we arrive at some good result. Look at this, a tiny manipulation of 2x common, it gives me a common factor out x minus y. I am in a position to take x minus y common, whatever remains, just take LCM. It is now simple question. Now we have applied a diet concept towards our question. We have taken something common, it has lost its ways. It is now fine thing, not heavy thing. It's fine thing, not heavy thing. Easy to carry, easy to solve. 2x here. Let me open this up. Y minus 3x times y, and here I have 2x times 1 plus 3y. 1 plus 3y. Solve them up. 1 minus 1 over x minus y minus 3xy plus 2x, 2 3 the 6xy over 2x. These two terms are identical, negative 3xy plus 6xy. Negative 3 plus 6, I am left with positive 3xy. So we have 1 over x minus y times y plus 3xy plus 2xy divided by 2x. It is our required result. If I can multiply them, then my B option is the right option in that case. B option is the right. How? Just multiply these denominator terms. I have, let me settle it down, 2x first plus 3xy, then only y, divide 2x with this, 2x square minus 2xy. It's our answer in that. It is based on taking common. Taking common even from denominator works wonderful for you. Moving towards next question. Next question we have, which expression is equivalent to x power 4 minus 8x square plus 16. If we apply middle term breakup, 1 times 16 is 16, 4 4 the 16, 4 and 4 8. I will apply middle term breakup concept. I can write 8x square as negative 4x square plus 16. I have managed the middle term from the coefficient of first and the last, from the coefficient of the first and the constant term, 116 and 16, factors of 16, 4 4 the 16, 4 and 4 is 8. Taking common, x square common, we are left with x square minus 4. Negative 4 common, we are left with x square minus 4. These both brackets are identical, we are good to go. X square minus 4, what remains? Other bracket in that case is also x square minus 4. It can be x square minus 4 square whole square. Okay, they can also be factored by difference of 2 square. 4 can be written as 2 square. So this can be factored further, x plus 2, x minus 2 overall square. Manage square to each term, each bracket, x plus 2 whole square and x minus 2 whole square. X plus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square. Option number C is the right option. It is the path of middle term breakup. Middle term breakup. R1 can take direct perfect square formula. One can do that as well. It depends upon its stability. When both brackets are identical, when both brackets are identical, we can switch over this x4 can be written as x square whole square minus 2 times x square. It is 4. Twice first into second. Manipulate this 2 4 the 8 8x square same. Instead of 16 I can write 4 square. Now it's a wonderful formula of perfect square, x square minus 4 whole square. Take first term without square, last term without square. Take first term without square, take last term without square. The symbol of the middle term, that's negative. Now this one can be factored out as x square 4 means 2 square whole square. It is our x plus 2 times x minus 2 whole square. Split the square, it will become x plus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square. One can take the path of middle term breakup or direct perfect square identity apply x perfect square concept, a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. In that case, a minus b whole square. It's my tiny effort to you guys to explain to you how to take common in difficult situations, how to take common in fraction is accuracy of the mostly students, and taking common a thing that is very fine like 2 minus x, taking minus common, or taking common something from the denominator. Taking something common from the denominator works wonderful for you, but these are standard level common. Whenever one can apply, it is upper tier for a student, not a lower. It's all by itself. Next.